seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Nah, halo semua, selamat pagi, siang, ataupun malam buat teman-teman. Baik, jadi hari ini saya mau ajak kalian buat hunting bis, bosku. Hunting bis di exit Tol Mangkang ya. Nah, ini kita perjalanan ke sana. Nanti ada bis, ada unit bis apa aja yang lewat, kita lihat saja nanti di sana ya. Lokasinya tidak jauh bro, ini hanya perjalanan dari rumah itu sekitar 3 menitan lah. Nah, ini saya lagi ada di jalan. Baik, stay tune terus di channel saya ini. Lihat saja nanti keseruan saya di exit Tol Mangkang ya bro.
Things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of...
Nah, sudah sampai bro. Nah cuy, sudah sampai di exit Tol Mangkang ya. Ini terletak perbatasan Mangkang sama Kaliwungu ya bro. Nah, ini exitnya. Nanti kita di sebelah sini saja. Parkir dulu di Indomaret. Nah, kita parkir motor di sini saja. Nah, baik teman-teman, jadi stay tune terus di channel ini. Lihat saja nanti keseruan saya bagaimana ya bro di exit Tol Mangkang Semarang.
Through the downs and lows and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Nah guys, jadi hari ini zong bosku. Saya tadi cuman dapat beberapa video bis ya bos. Jadi ya hari ini kurang beruntung. Kita coba lain hari saja ke sini. Ini juga sudah sore, sekitar jam 6-an, jadi kita rehat dulu, pulang dulu, maghriban nanti kita keluar lagi. BC dora metu-metu ya. Neng mau. Sebenarnya ada satu titik lagi ya di daerah Kerapiak bro. Exit tol Kerapiak itu rame kalau bis. Nah, untuk awal memang saya coba di sini dulu ya, yang dekat dari rumah. Yang dekat dari rumah. Nanti lain waktu kita ke exit tol Kerapiak bosku. Kendal. Nah, baik, jadi sampai di sini saja untuk vlog video dari saya. Terima kasih sudah mengikuti channel saya ya bro. Sampai jumpa di vlog video saya selanjutnya.